Good morning, everybody. Welcome back to Cilinix Crypto. Hope you're all doing great, and welcome to this new video here on Stellar. Had to make a new update. I mean, we've continued to be very strong. Last time we covered this, we went up to this level here at 42 and 44 cents. What I said back then, I think, is that I did not think we would break above this level, and I still kind of think that. All right, just to spoiler alert that, I still kind of think that. But still, I wanted to do a full update here on the possible scenarios. I mean, in the end, if you watch videos like these, everybody that tells you that they are certain one thing is going to happen, I would not trust them. All right, these price predictions, it's all probabilities. All right, so I think it's most likely that we will not break out, but it's obviously a possibility. I mean, in the end, nobody can predict the markets. We can only try to get as close as we can, and we can do an analysis to get an idea of when what scenario plays out. Because right now, and we're diving right into the analysis, hopefully you don't mind, but that also means it's a nice and quick video, right? As much value for you as you can. But the two scenarios right now are, we are at a strong resistance level at 46 cents. We're going to break out of that level and we're going to rally up to 51 cents. And I would argue on the higher time frames, that means that we are bullish, right? Because if we break above this level here at 46 cents now, which is on the daily time frame also a strong resistance level, then we're back in this zone right here, which is extremely bullish. And that is a bullish structure shift from the zone we were at right here. So extremely bullish, that is a possibility, that is a scenario. I think that's the less likely scenario, because the other scenario is that we are not going to be able to break out, and that we will drop down lower into this level here at 40 cents and 38 cents at least before finding support and potentially trying again, or just dropping all the way down to the bottom of the range. So those are the two scenarios, and then it's up to us to find out which one is most likely. Now, first of all, to start off with, I would have a price alert at 46 cents. All right, so that in case we actually do break out of that level, you'll be alerted. But there's two things that I think you need to get a bullish breakout. And that's, first of all, relatively bullish market circumstances, which I think we have, especially compared to the last 2 weeks. And then something like Stellar also has more bullish momentum than other altcoins. Because what you can see right now is that a lot of these older coins, such as Cardano, such as Monero, IOTA, Stellar, Sandbox, Hedera, are doing well, right? So these older coins are actually doing quite well right now. So there is a bit of a narrative pushing behind this strength. So that helps. And you can also see the open interest is relatively high right here and also still increasing, even though we did not make a higher high. But what I do not like, I wanted to start off positive, what I do not like and why I think it's most likely that we will not break out is the fact that the volume has dropped down a lot. It's down 50% right now. And you need volume to increase if you want to have a strong breakout. And outside of that, and this is a bit of I'm not completely sure if this is true, but I do think it is true. I think we're having a bearish divergence here, which is true. And sometimes you can just see that on the chart. But what you see is that the price is making higher highs right here, while the RSI is making lower highs, and the open interest is also making lower highs. So that divergence in combination with the volume dropping down and the markets, well, we're stronger than last week, but we're not necessarily very bullish yet. Therefore, I would say it's most likely that we might have some sort of a spike up, but that we will not be able to break out and that we will at least drop back down to 40 and 38 cents. And then from there, we will see again. If we can get a strong touch here and get rid of some of that leverage, then this could be enough to actually push us all the way back up and to let us break out this time. But that is something we'll have to see for the future. All right, so that's it. Those are the two scenarios, and which scenario I think is most likely based on the analysis. So if you do have any questions, anything, let me know down in the comments. But for now, thank you for watching. Take care and bye.